If you want to record a phone call on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, what you can do is you can try to check if you have a built-in option that allows you to record phone calls. For example, over here in the call menu, you can try to use the More section, or you can try to find a recording button in here in general in order to try to record a phone call. But in my case, unfortunately, and probably in your case as well, I don't have that option. What you can also try to do is you can use a recorder app, and in my case, I tried to use the recorder for the first time, and once I granted all the permissions, then I could actually start recording. But now, if I try to do this again, it doesn't work for some reason. I'm not sure why is that, why it worked for the first time, but now it doesn't anymore. But I assume the phone just blocks it. Once it figures out that you are not supposed to record phone calls, it blocks it. So if that's the case for you as well, if you cannot use the recorder while having a phone call, what you can do is you can use a third-party app that allows you to record phone calls. So in this case, I'm just gonna go to the Play Store and we can search for call recorder. And there we go. And then in here we should be able to just choose any of these apps, and of course you can try to use them in order to record a phone call. I actually encourage you to try these apps. You can of course check out which one you like the most, which one works the best for you. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna show you how to set this one up, but once again, if you want to try something else, feel free to do so. I'm gonna actually end the call here because I don't need it right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the app, tap on next over here. We need to grant all of these necessary permissions. There we go. Now over here we can press OK to disable power optimization and tap on allow. Then we can disable geotagging. It's not really necessary to use it. If you see this premium offer, you can just close it by using X in the upper left corner. There we go. Now over here we have the option to install a helper, which is an additional app that is used to help the main app run properly. So I'm going to install the helper. We are going to be redirected to this website where we can download the app. And in my case, I'm going to use the APK file, and we need to download it. Now, if you try to install the app using the Chrome browser, you will be informed that you are trying to install an app from an unknown source, so you will have to grant the permission for the browser to allow the browser to install apps from unknown sources. And then we're gonna open the app. Over here, we're gonna tap on next, and we need to grant all those necessary permissions again. There we go. Now over here, we're gonna tap on go to accessibility. You want to tap on Cube ACR app connector over here, and you will see this message that app was denied access. So we're gonna close it. Then we're gonna go back to the app, choose go to apps. In here, we need to find the Cube ACR app, the helper one. There we go. Tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose allow restricted settings and verify yourself. And we're gonna go back to the app again. We're gonna reopen accessibility. Now we can go to Cube ACR app connector and we can allow the app to be used. There we go. Tap on OK over here to disable power optimization and allow that. And the app is pretty much set up. Now we can open the main app, the Cube ACR. And in here, before we move on to the recording, you can tap on these three lines here in the upper left corner. And you can make sure that recording is enabled. Also, you can check out settings, for example, for recording in order to make some adjustments if needed. The good thing about this app is that it starts recording automatically once we have a call. So I'm just gonna call myself. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So once we start a call, then you will see a notification about that, about the app running in the background. And there we go. We have the automatic call recording in progress. So there's also one disadvantage of this app. In fact, there is a disadvantage for every third-party app that tries to record phone calls, and that is the fact that they cannot really use the earpiece directly. And of course, usually we use earpiece or the ear speaker to communicate during a call, to listen to the caller. And since these apps cannot really they don't have access to that earpiece or ear speaker, they cannot properly record that, meaning it might be too quiet to hear the caller on the recording, or you might not even be able to hear the caller at all. So there is a small workaround, although it is a little bit inconvenient. But what you can do is you can just use the loudspeaker. So if you use the speaker, the one that we have at the bottom of the phone, of course, then there is a very much higher chance that the app is going to catch the color, and then once you play the recording, you will most likely be able to hear that color. Of course, once the call is done, you should be able to open the main app, and over here we can find our recording. And you can of course play the recording quite easily, or you can tap on these three dots on the right side and you can choose one of these additional options if needed. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.